Now at 5, the Omaha legal, judicial, and political communities are still reeling less than 24 hours after the sudden death of longtime Judge Mark Ashford. Good evening, I'm Craig DeGrelli.
And I'm Jennifer Griswold. An attorney found Judge Ashford unresponsive at his desk in his chambers on the 4th floor of the courthouse in Omaha. Today, colleagues and friends remember him and his legacy. Senior reporter Jacob Wazakowski was at the courthouse today and has the details.
Courtroom 412 remained open even though there were no hearings on Thursday because of the passing of Judge Ashford. A note left by his nephew, a simple one. Great judge, father, and friend.
For 30 years, Judge Mark Ashford presided over court hearings with passion, fairness, and humility. He served the last 18 in Douglas County District Court. His brother, former Congressman Brad Ashford, says he cared for his family and treated others as dear friends.
Mark was a super judge and a great father, an uncle and family person. But I think his commitment to the law throughout his entire career in public service, he was very conscious of his heritage.
Recently, Ashford presided over the first Veterans Treatment Court graduation ever in the state. His father was a pilot on D-Day in World War II.
Mark was always so impressed with what that generation gave and that his dad was part of it. And the Veterans Treatment Court was, I sense, a way for him to give back and to repay what all of those who had done for our country.
In May 2017, we profiled the Ashford family and their Omaha roots that go back to the 1800s.
Omaha is really pretty much unlike almost anywhere else, even in the Midwest.
Courthouse personnel say they've gone between sadness and deep reflection, remembering a man who served the public for most of his life.
Although you had respect for him as a judge, he was a person that would come up and talk to you. He would stop and talk to the people that deliver the mail. He was just one of those people.
The district court clerk tells me that they are trying to transfer all criminal cases as quickly as they can to hopefully keep the same date and times, just a different judge for any of those hearings. When it comes to civil hearings, those may take longer to reschedule. Reporting from downtown Omaha, Jake Wazakowski, 3 News Now.
After the news of Mark Ashford's death, many people went on Twitter and delivered tributes. Omaha Mayor Gene Stothert said this: Ashford would be remembered as a dedicated judge who served with respect. Douglas County Attorney Don Klein said sincerest condolences to the family. Klein said Mark Ashford's numerous contributions to the community will be sorely missed.